see, we have the Sony WH1000XM5. So these are the newest headphones Sony sells that are over the years, noise cancellation, all the jazz and fun stuff. Now the price tag on these puppies is not cheap. These retail for about 400 bucks. I would recommend that you buy these when they go on sale. The best time to buy headphones is around the Black Friday type of deal, because they're usually like $100 plus off, at least 150 at some cases, depending on where you're shopping at. But I bought these to test them out. You also see another unboxing of the Bose. Those are the 700s, sorry, that compete with these. So I'll do a comparison video between both of them to see which ones I like more. Are they worth it? Are they worth the money? Anything crazy like that. So without further ado, let's open these up. So for most people that are probably buying these headphones, are probably people that want to work in an environment to shield them from noise. Like the best example, and one of the reasons I bought them, is for the airplane. But you don't have to buy them. You can buy them in regular settings. A lot of college students would probably buy them, or anyone that is looking for an environment to be absolutely quiet. For example, I have the EarPod Pros. Now those are great. Noise cancellation in them is great. They work phenomenal with the iPhone. Obviously it's Apple, it should. But it's just on a different level of how it functions, how it works, and how seamless it is. So I just want to see if using these headphones are the similar, or even using the Bose. So opening up the box here. We have the headphones. Then we have this little pull tab thing here. And I'm assuming this is all the documentation and great stuff. Free trial, yeah. None of the stuff people want to read. We'll just package that all back in there. Not too worried about this stuff. So, what you guys came to see. So, just a case on the bottom. Nothing crazy there. Now, this is a hard case. As you can hear, it's nice and hard, so it's going to be protected on both sides. It's hard protected. You got a little hook here, or a hole, basically to hook this if you really wanted to, right there. Then one zipper that goes all the way around. I would say it's a pretty quality zipper too. Oopsie, I'm left the wrong way. So opening this way, the headphones. First glance at them, very, very, very light. I enjoyed that they can turn in, so you can lay them flat, which is nice. You don't have to worry about them sitting up like this and breaking them. Granted, most of the time you probably should be putting these back in the case when you're not using them, but I like the simpleness of this. But we'll get to the headphones here in a second. What also comes with it is a USB to USB Type-C charging cable, very small, nothing crazy. Then you got your headphone jack here. Obviously 3.5 on both ends, so you plug one end into the headphones, the other end into your computer, your laptop. If you have a phone that still has a headphone jack, I'd be very surprised. Or unless you're using an adapter where you have the lightning to headphone jack, or the USB to headphone jack, then maybe you would use these. But most people are just going to use them wirelessly. So talking headphones here. So up here, nice and soft, cushiony, like everything around this top of the headset here is all nice and soft, cushiony, very lightweight. Now there is some, I don't know if it's metal or not, kind of feels like it, or maybe it's just some type of hard plastic here. Yeah, actually it's probably just some type of hard plastic. But yeah, that's a hard plastic there. It moves up and down pretty seamlessly, nothing too crazy. Same thing on this side, moves up and down, nothing too crazy. ear cuffs. Very, very, very soft here on the ears. So I would assume a lot of people, that's one of the biggest things they care about, is how soft these ear cushions are. These look like memory foam. Just by pushing on them, they come back to normal. A lot of people care about that. Obviously, if you're wearing for a long period of time, I would care too. Inside here, it's just a mesh thing. Right behind there is the drivers and all that, the speakers. So looking at this, they give you left and right. So I'll switch these. Left is obviously in my left hand, right is obviously in my right hand. So looking at the right hand side of the headset, you have your USB plug in here. These are your, I believe, your noise cancellation stuff, to cancel out noise. Then that's about it on that side. Now on the left side is where you have all your functions and everything like that. We'll start from the bottom here. Here's your headphone jack, power button, Bluetooth button. Then you have your NC, A, and B, which NC stands for noise cancellation. I believe A and B is something to do with like the environment. It allows you to, I think, hear stuff around you a little bit better. If you ever had the AirPods, they do the same thing where they have the transparency mode. I believe that's what A and B is, but I'll leave it somewhere on the screen that says exactly what it is. Then outside of that, there's nothing else around here. On the actual headphones, you have swipe forward, swipe back, tap to change songs, double tap back to switch back to the previous song, stuff like that, play, pause, all that jazz. I believe you can do it on either side of the headphones. I will let you know when I review these because I'm not 100% sure. But when I review them, test them out, I'll let you guys know how they work. But ear cup wise, they do go in and out a little bit. You can kind of see, if I get this on camera a little bit, you can kind of see they come in and out. And you can kind of see that there's spacing right here where my finger is. So you got a little bit of space, which is nice. Same thing on this headset, go in and out. So if you have a oddly shaped head somehow, at least you got some movement. I would like to see probably a little bit more, but maybe it'll fit okay when it's on your head and it's more stretched out. But I can tell you, going this way, going that way, feels decently durable. I mean, obviously you shouldn't be bending your headphones like this or bending them out. Obviously they only can go so much far this way, but so far just doing this feels pretty strong. I'm not gonna go and break them, but there you go, guys. Just a slight unboxing and a look around the headphones, but I'll let you guys know exactly how they work, and we'll go from there. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.